Greetings. So I'm here today to bring you another update for the Manor. So what we've been working on is a drone ride. So literally we are building a drone, and what the plan is, as you can see right here, there is like the entire cab of the drone is transparent, so you'll be able to see through the floor, see out all of the windows. The propellers, all of that will be animated. And so basically, the way it's going to work is we're going to, here in the center of the manor, we are going to put the drone right here. And it's going to follow a flight path. So it's basically going to take off right here. And as you can see currently, around the manor, there are these showrooms. So we have these 3 showrooms over here, and then there's going to be another attraction over here that is coming next. Can't tell you about that right now, though. So basically what's going to happen is the drone is going to take off. You'll get on the, you'll board onto the drone right here. So you'll board onto the drone, and then you'll basically fly off, and then you'll fly into each one of the showrooms. Okay? You will fly around the pool area, come back around, come down low, and then you're going to fly past all of the stores, so you'll be able to see all of the stores and, you know, inside of the buildings, all of the windows. You'll come back up, you'll come around the lecture hall, okay? Go over to the next showroom, and there's cars along with the related content for each car, for each vehicle that's inside of there. So basically it's going to be a ride around the entire Manor campus. You should be able to go on this ride by the beginning of next week. Keep you updated.